Hi guys, hope you all are doing very well and a very happy new year. I'm starting the year with a very beautiful bag review because come on, we all love bag review. And this bag is what I had purchased last month, actually on 1st of December. So it's been a good 1 month and it's the right time for me to make the review about it. And this bag really attracted my eye at least 2-3 months back. I seen this bag, I was really impressed by the way the whole functionality was. Previously also I have seen similar concept bag, but they haven't been as seamless in functionality as this bag has been. So I know you guys might be wondering, what am I talking about? So without any further ado, let's start. Let me show you what bag I'm really talking about. So this is from the brand Coach. And ta-da! This is how this bag looks. So originally, when I seen this bag in store around 2-3 months back, this is how it was displayed. It was showed as to be a backpack bag, and I love the whole look of this bag because I like the whole longer vertical look. And I was not a backpack person. I felt like no, I don't want it to be like a complete backpack. And that's when they told me that no, this is not only just a backpack bag, but it can also be converted into a crossbody as well as a shoulder bag. That was when I got really surprised. And this is how beautifully it looked. Honestly, previously also, like I said, that I have seen some similar bags, but when it comes to execution, it did not look that pretty. Also, it was not able to serve the purpose. Like, I could not really use them very well as sling bags or even backpack. They were neither good backpack nor were they neither good sling. So this is how the crossbody thing works. And it looks stunning. I have already used it, and honestly, it does not look awkward. Like previously, the bags that I had tried would land up looking like weird and awkward, and it would not open properly. All those functionality issues were there. But however, in this case, like absolutely no issues. And this is how long this strap is. So that's really nice. And second option is you can double this up and carry it as a shoulder bag. Shoulder bag, I am not a fan. It honestly doesn't work very comfortably for shoulder bag, but I'm okay with it because I'm not a shoulder bag fan. But it works really beautifully as a crossbody bag. Now let me show you what all can fit easily into it. I love the way this opens. I have stuffed in my glass, I have stuffed in my wallet, the sanitizer and AirPods. I think that's gone inside. And it shuts easily. Also, if you can see, there's no stretch of any, sometimes when you stuff in a lot, the leather will stretch, so that stretch is not there. So that's really, really good, and that's why I love this bag. And there was other canvas option available. I'm sure this bag is still available at the store. And there were a lot of other canvas option available. So in case if you do not like leather, because leather is high maintenance, so you can definitely try that canvas option. I absolutely love this bag. I took it already for my Rishikesh trip where I was gonna carry some another bag. But last moment I landed up changing my mind and I took this bag out. So I have really used this. It's a super comfortable, good looking bag, and I know you will get a lot of compliments whenever you take this. So the price of this bag is here 32,990. However, I did not pay this. I think I got it for 18,000 something. And the reason being, I got it from Tata Click Luxury. They were running 30% off during the Black Friday sale, and there was some HDFC bank discount along with some vouchers that I had. So long short, I paid around 18 to 19,000. I do not know exact value. I think I paid around 18 something. And for 18,000, getting a leather bag, that was a Coach leather bag, it's absolute steal. So if you come across such offers, such deal, especially for a leather Coach bag, then guys, please just buy it. I do not think twice. So that is it, guys. Hope you like this small mini review of this bag. I love this bag a lot. This is going to be my 2022 bag. I will be carrying this around a lot. So that is it, guys. Hope you like the video. Bye, take care. Once again, Happy New Year.